Hello everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make email notifications using Google Forms. What you want to do is go to googleforms.com and create a form. Just like I have created here for tutorial purposes, this request form. I have also created a template in Google Documents like this just for a quick tutorial demo. Now on the right corner, you can see the three dots for the More section. Click on Get Add-ons. You need to add one extension called Perform Workflow. Click on it, select the first option, and then click Install. It will take a few seconds and you will need to set up your Google account. Since it has already been added, go to your Extensions menu, select the Perform Workflow extension, and click Get Started. It is now in the working process, so let's see how it works. Here, what you need to do is select the template. I have already created one in my Google Docs, so I'll select that. You have to select the file and it will appear in a second. You can see the form name that I showed earlier, and after selecting it, matching fields will appear. You'll see matching question fields like requester name, product, and charges. You can also choose the destination folder or change it if needed. Let me show you how to select the destination folder step by step. I've selected my untitled form as the destination. Now you also need to set the document naming, which I've already created here. Next, switch to the Recipients section. Here you need to enter the sender name, the CC email, the recipient email, and the reply to email. Now switch to the Document and PDF section. If you go back to Recipients, you can add a static email address here. Click on Can View Document for the permissions. Turn it on, then click Add Dynamic Recipient. This is how you select permissions and save your settings. After saving, make sure the document has already been published. Then go to the toolbar and click Send a Test Response. After clicking Send Test Response, enter the sample answers. For example, the name is Sarah, the product is mobile, and the charges are $3,000. Now submit the form. After that, go back to your Google Drive section. Navigate to the Untitled Forms folder. Open the request form responses. Here you can see that the linked sheet has already been created. So this is how you can create an email notification from Google Forms. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.